Short video. This is the extension I've put on the bottom of the chimney. There we are. As you see, it's got a little slider. A bit tight, but it does come out. And all the rubbish drops out. So that's at the end of the chimney. So chimney goes up. Any rubbish that sits in there now drops in that pocket. Pull the slide out, quick and easy to clean, and it'll take all of a couple of minutes once a year to do that. They'll take a lot of rubbish in there. And to seal it, I've used high temperature silicone there and the same there. That takes 600 degrees. Never gets to that temperature. That's about all you can say for the moment. That's to show you a little modification. Now, I was asked about the slot. Now, you do need the slot if you're burning pellets. You will notice the difference in performance because I could demonstrate, but I'm not going to. You need that extra air because what happens is, though you're burning at the front here, so when you're burning here, the air passes through nicely, but you don't quite get enough for the top of the basket. So that's why that slot's there. And I carried a lot of experiments out to work that out, and it works perfect. So you need to put the slot in, but you do not need it for burning wood. So if you fill the feed tube with wood, you cover the slot up. Very simple, but you can build it without it, but it won't be as efficient, and you'll find that you don't get such a clean burn. What happens is the top of the basket you'll get smoke, and the smoke is unburnt fuel, but it will burn it, but slowly. You can use the slot to control the amount of draft as well. You can slow the rate of burn down by slowly moving the slot smaller and smaller, and that will slow down the amount of fuel you're burning. So it does two things, but basically you need the slot. This is Dave signing off, and hope that's helped a few of you out. But you can see why I've put the pocket in. I'm fed up with bolting the bit at the end. You don't need that piece then. I could just weld a blank on there now, and then you can just pull the slider out and it makes it twice as easy to clean. So that's why that's there. That's the little latest modification. This is Dave signing off. Don't forget the bits at the bottom. Thumbs up, thumbs down, and don't forget to subscribe. We will think of something new to do next time, but this is the modifications at the moment. Catch you all on the flip side. This is Dave signing off. Bye bye.